Is your Google TV showing a limited connection warning on your Wi-Fi? This actually happens because of weak Wi-Fi signals, IP or DNS conflicts, or sometimes a router misconfiguration. Here are the two best solutions to fix it quickly. Solution 1. Set automatic date and time. So the biggest reason of this problem is sometimes the configuration glitch your TV faces when the device date and time is not accurate. To fix it, you can go to your home menu, navigate to the gear icon in the top corner using your remote, and then open it. Now scroll down to device preferences. From here, open date and time. Open automatic date and time. Now select the use network provided time option. See if this fixes the issue or not. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go to your Google TV home menu. Use your remote to navigate to the gear icon. Click OK on your remote to open settings. Now go to Network and Internet. Make sure that Wi-Fi itself is turned on here. After that, select your Wi-Fi from here and scroll down to the bottom of its setting. Choose Forget Network and confirm your choice. After that, go back to Network and Internet, find your Wi-Fi again, then re-enter your Wi-Fi password and connect again. See if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't work either, then you can simply restart both your TV and Wi-Fi router and the problem will be gone. Anyways guys, with these 3 solutions, your Google TV should definitely get rid of the limited connection problem. If this video helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Google TV fixes. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.